why are the premiums of term insurance plans so low? It's a question which is often asked to my insurance club. I can understand the anxiety, but I think it's a great thing which has happened, and we should be happy that the pricing has come down substantially. Of course, people are reluctant and they think that, is it too good to be true? Is the pricing too low? Is there some catch to it? Well, frankly, there isn't any catch, and it's a heavily regulated space, and there are enough checks and balances which are put in place by the regulator to ensure that things go smoothly. So here are the reasons why the premiums have actually dropped dramatically when it comes to term insurance plans. The first reason, of course, is competition. We lived in an era where there was only one life insurance company in the country, and there weren't too many options. It was excessively, very highly priced, so no one really wanted to buy it. In term insurance plans, you don't get back anything. Even the principal which you pay is not returned back to you. So no one really wanted to take a cover which is meaningful because the premiums were high. So that was one of the primary reasons why no one really went in for term insurance plans in the earlier days. But with the private players coming in, increased competition in any market results in a better deal for the end customer. So with more and more players coming in, they innovated and they brought in more aggressively priced plans. And it is still happening. A lot of interesting products are being launched at different price points with different features. So that is one of the primary reasons. Big competition is what has resulted in a lower premium scenario. So the second reason, of course, is that you drop your pricing. As a result, you get more customers, and the more customers you get, it makes more business sense. And insurance sector being one, it makes far more sense to actually statistically have a lot more customers than having a few customers at a very high price point. So I think that worked favorably. When the prices were dropped, we saw a large number of people actually buying into term insurance plans. In fact, it's probably one of the only products in the life insurance space which is a pull kind of a product. Traditionally, insurance is considered as a push product where someone has to come and literally force you to buy it or convince you to buy it. Term insurance as a category has almost now become a pull product where people are actively looking to cover themselves. The savings rate, I think, has dropped in the country, so people are wanting a genuinely big life insurance cover. And since a huge number of people have come and started purchasing, the insurance companies obviously have dropped the pricing also accordingly. The third, I think the biggest reason is probably innovation. We saw online term plans being launched, which were the entire processing, right from the customer acquisition to the application form to the paperless policy which is being launched to the servicing to the storage. The entire thing is digitized. Now this results in considerable savings. Imagine storing thousands of policies issued every month for almost 30 years. That requires solid infrastructure in terms of rental income, security, ensuring that they are stored safely, then retrieval. So it's quite a big task, and all those costs is completely gone when the process is digitized. So these costs have been passed on to the customer in terms of lower pricing. So this is one of the primary reasons why the premiums are low. And of course, there is, the increase in life expectancy, or it's, today we tend to live healthier lives. Earlier, when, deaths might be occurring in the 50s and 60s, now people are tending to live longer, which means that the ratio of people dying who have taken the policies will also be lower, and hence the claims will also be lower. So these are the factors altogether which have contributed substantially in dropping the premiums. Just a little bit of trivia. I remember this is just 5-7 years back when one of the latest entrants into the life insurance space had launched the first online term plan, which was priced very, very low. People across the industry were scoffing at the premiums which are being offered, saying this is simply not possible. It is not something which can be continued. But today, as we see, almost every major life insurance company has launched equally competitively priced plans, and maybe even lower. So that's how it is, how competition works in favor of the customer. Thank you. So here's how you can do a term insurance comparison in a jiffy. Log on to your browser and type MyInsuranceClub.com. Press go or enter. Select term plans from the list of options shown. Now select the amount of cover which you would like to have. Then select the term of the policy or the duration of the policy. Enter your date of birth, followed by gender and whether you consume tobacco or not. Enter your city of residence, followed by your basic details, name, mobile number and email ID. We do not share any of these contact details with any partner or vendor, so it's completely between you as a customer and My Insurance Club. So show plans will take you to the list of options from different insurance companies. Almost all the major term insurance plans are covered here for a comparison. So by default they're listed sorted by popularity. That means the maximum number of people who have actually clicked or shown interest in a particular plan. You can check the plans from various insurance companies. The claims ratio is displayed. The payout benefits which you get in every plan is displayed. Further, there are a host of filters given on this page. You want to change your amount of cover, that can be done. You want to change the policy term, so you can select by number of years or till an age which you want. So you want till the age of 70. You want annual premiums, half yearly premiums, quarterly or monthly. A host of riders are available, so you can select the ones which you would want. And a few more filters in terms of a premium range and any particular set of insurance companies which you want to select. And lastly, you can sort the search results by popularity, premium or claims ratio. So as you see, quite an exhaustive comparison can be done on this page of My Insurance Club. I hope this is useful.